Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company, and today we are going to talk all things Disney packing. And this list is going to be different. It's not going to be the basic necessities. You obviously need your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your clothes. But in this video, we're going to talk about some of the uncommon things that maybe you didn't think to pack that are going to save you money once you're at Disney, so you don't have to buy them at the park. Before we get started, I do want to mention if you're looking to start planning your Disney vacation, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney, so be sure to head to my website, Main Street and Beyond Travel Company.com, where I can get you a free quote and completely plan your trip for completely free, which is awesome. So also, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and comment below any items you bring to Disney that other people may find helpful. Okay, so let's dive in. And the number one item I want to talk about, which I see so many people make this mistake all the time, is buy rain ponchos for your family. They're like $6 on Amazon for a whole box of them that you guys can use and put in your backpacks when you're at the park, because Disney ponchos are very expensive. They're like $10 to $15 each. And every time it rains at Disney, I see tons of families going into the stores and buying those and easily dropping another $50, $60, $70 on their day that they didn't have planned. So you would want that money to go towards snacks or more food or more drinks or more souvenirs instead of something like a rain poncho. If you want to buy them one time at the parks and then keep them the rest of your trip, that's great. That's actually what I do just because I like the Disney ponchos. But you don't need to do that. On Amazon, like I said, there's boxes that are like $6 to $10 for a whole pack of them for your whole family on your Disney trip. And they even do have some Disney ones on Amazon, so I'm going to show you guys all on the screen here some of your options for rain ponchos. And Florida weather is so unpredictable, so rain poncho is absolutely necessary, especially if you're going in the summer. It's going to rain every day on your vacation. Every single day between like noon and 5 p.m. it will rain. It may not rain very long, but I promise you it will rain. It always rains in Florida. Winter's not as bad, but anytime in the spring, summer, fall, it definitely is going to rain a lot. So be prepared and have those rain ponchos. Okay, the next most important thing may be a little obvious, but it's something that a lot of people forget or they don't bring enough of. This is the biggest mistake that I see people making, is you're going to lotion up with sunscreen right here multiple times per day. And especially if your whole family is using it, you can easily go through like a can a day. And so obviously on Disney property, they're going to jack up the prices of sunscreen because they know that. So honestly, I would prep and maybe bring a bottle of sunscreen for each day, because you're going to be doing a lot of walking outside. If you planned a rest day, which I always suggest doing, to relax at the pool, you're going to need a lot of sunscreen. Kids will need a lot of sunscreen. And it's always good to just protect your skin in that hot Florida sun and those strong UV rays every day. My personal favorite, as I showed you earlier, is Coola Organic Sunscreen, so I don't break out or anything. I have pretty sensitive skin, and Coola seems to work amazing for me. You can also get this on Amazon, as well as like Ulta Beauty or Target or anywhere like that. They also have a face cream, which I absolutely love, because when I sweat at Disney, which you will do a lot of that, it's not gonna like run into your eyes and start stinging, which happens to me a lot with a lot of sunscreen. So Coola is really good, but bring tons of sunscreen. All right, the next commonly forgotten item when you are packing for a Disney vacation is an autograph book and Sharpies. Don't forget Sharpies too. And so you can actually buy autograph books, Disney autograph books, directly from Amazon, as well as the Sharpies you'll need for it, for a lot cheaper than you'll find like the $20, $25 autograph books when you are on Disney property. And plus, you never know when you're going to find those. And if you get to Disney and see a character right away, you're going to want to have that signature. Right now, since they're not doing meet and greets, it's not as important, but when they do bring those back, hopefully soon, definitely have an autograph book and a Sharpie handy. Okay, for this next item, it is like one of the best inventions ever, and those are those little neck fans that go around your neck, or like a spray and misting bottle, because like I said, it is so hot at Disney, especially in the summer. I mean, it's like 95 degrees with 100% humidity. You're going to be walking around and it's going to be rough. But if you have those misting fans, you can easily hold it on yourself for a while, spray. And honestly, like, people around you love it too, because sometimes the spray comes and hits them and they're so thankful for like a little second to cool off. So it's really nice to have those. If you have a child or a toddler in a stroller, they also have ones that can clip onto the stroller that will provide a fan to your toddler or infant or child all day long in their stroller, which is really nice too. And speaking of strollers, you can pack your stroller if you want, or you can also rent a Disney stroller. And the great company that I use is Kingdom Strollers. For your strollers, they'll deliver it right to your hotel. You can use it for your entire length of your stay, and then you return it when you're done, which is amazing. So if you're flying or driving and you don't want to put your stroller in your car, it's very easy to just go ahead and rent from Kingdom Strollers. And everything I'm talking about today in the video is all going to be linked below, and any discount codes I have, the Amazon links, all of that stuff will be below. So be sure to check that out. Okay, tying along with talking about rain at Disney is a waterproof cell phone cover, something to slip your cell phone in. This is especially good if you plan on going to any of the water parks in the Orlando area for your trip, but it's also good if it does start raining at the park and you do want to continue to use your phone without damaging it. This is a great thing to have, or if you're going on like Splash Mountain or any other water rides, this is great to go ahead and just slip your cell phone into. So again, this is perfect. Cell phone waterproof bag. Okay, another popular item that you can get on Amazon that is Disney snacks, which again are perfect for your toddlers on vacation. They have like Mickey fruit snacks, Mickey goldfish, all the fun Disney snacks that you can buy and pack with you, so that way your kids have snacks they can eat throughout the day. They do have snacks available at Disney. Again, little higher prices, and these ones still have Mickey Mouse on them, so your kids are gonna think they're the same thing anyway. But yeah, definitely check Amazon beforehand for food and water and snacks and things that you can bring to the park. I always still suggest doing Disney dining, do quick service, do table service, just to get that full Disney experience. But for your snacks, especially for your kids, if they're hungry waiting in line for the Barnstormer, you can just easily slip them a package of goldfish with Mickey Mouse on it. So they'll think it's the Disney goldfish, which is awesome. So yeah, definitely check Amazon for all that good snacks and things. Okay, the next item I found on Amazon when I was looking at another like Disney packing list a long time ago, and I've always remembered this. I don't personally have kids, but if I did, I would definitely make sure to have this. And I have all younger siblings, so this is something my parents did when we would always go to Disney when I was little too, and my siblings are little. And that is a child safety like wristband. And I don't mean the ones that like are attached to you too, so you can like sling your kid back. But it basically just has your cell phone information on their bracelets. So if they do happen to get lost, which every time I go to Disney, there's a lost parent. That's what they call it at Disney, to make the child feel better that they're not lost, their parents are lost. And it just has your phone number on it. So that way you can, or a cast member or anyone can call you right away and tell you where they are at with your child. I know you may think it may not happen, but it happens a lot. Like every time I go to Disney, I see a child who is looking for their lost parents. So definitely just get something like that. It'll make it that much easier to find your child if they do happen to get separated from you in Disney World. Because it will be very hot when you go, especially in the summer, like I've been saying, you should always bring like a cooling towel or a sweat towel with you. Again, you can find these both on Amazon too. Amazon's great for this kind of stuff. But just something to wipe the sweat off you, or even some like facial refresher wipes that you can bring. Like ladies, if you want to refresh your face during the day, just wipe it down with those. But the cooling towels are great too, because you can rinse them in the Disney sinks with cold water and just wring them out and then put them around your neck, which help you to stay cool during those hot summer days. Okay, so the next one, I don't think the husbands or boyfriends or men going along this trip are going to like, but you always have to have cute Disney shirts when you're at Disney. Like, you may think it's cheesy, but everyone's doing it. They all have different types of Disney shirts on, their favorite characters, cute sayings, funny things like that. My personal favorite that I love is Liberty Square apparel and Casual Bee Boutique, which both specialize in Disney shirts and fun Disney outfits for your trip, and I will include a link to those below as well as a coupon code you can use from me. The shirt I'm wearing right now is actually Liberty Square Apparel, and it's my company, Main Street and Beyond, so I actually have a travel line with them with t-shirts and hats and things like that in order to promote my company, Main Street and Beyond Travel Company. So that's super exciting too. I love when my clients wear these on vacation. It really makes me happy. But yeah, Etsy is also another great place for Disney shirts. You can find so many cute things on there. You can just search like Animal Kingdom shirts or Epcot shirts, and tons of stuff will come up for you guys. So definitely go prepared and make sure to have a Disney outfit each day. It'll look cute in your pictures too. Okay, the next thing might be obvious to some, but it actually shocks me how many people don't know this app or know how to use it, and that's you need to have the My Disney Experience app downloaded. It's going to show you all of your plans. So you can see here, you just scroll, it shows you your dining, your park pass reservations, your resort, everything like that. And then you can look at wait times within the park. So I'll show you right now, right? You can see wait times. You can see anything that's available for dining. You can just do everything with this app. If you click the add button, you can see how much you can do. I suggest downloading this app right when you book your Disney vacation, and honestly just playing around with it, start getting to know it, get to know where all the buttons are, what you can do with it, because this will save your life. This app will save your life when you're there. It's absolutely great. And tying into that is make sure to have your magic bands. Starting in 2021, they aren't gonna give them out for free anymore because they want you to more so use your app. You can use the app to unlock your room door even. It will hold your tickets, all those things, but your magic band can hold everything too right on your wrist. So when you go to a park, you just scan your magic band, it lets you right in. So that's always really great. So make sure to get the magic bands, especially at least for the kids. They like to have the little magic bands on their wrists of like Mickey Mouse or Pluto or their favorite character or movie. So definitely grab those for the kiddos. Okay, and the thing I want to finish with here is I want to make sure that you guys have some Disney guidebooks. This isn't necessarily something you need to bring on your trip, but I would definitely buy them ahead of time to read. There are tons out there. Disney Food Blog has great dining guides. There's 2021 Disney vacation planning guides on Amazon. I even sell my own Disney guides in my Etsy shop. So just look around for some Disney planners and guides because there are tons out there. And as I always mention, the more research you do, the better for Disney because that's going to really help you out. Well, thank you so much everyone for coming along with me today and hearing everything I have to say about packing for Disney. I know it was a pretty quick video. Normally I would like to show you more of the products, but I actually leave all my stuff down in Florida with my parents. So when I go down there, I don't have to repack it every time, but I do have all of these things and they're great. And they're things that I always use when I'm on Disney vacations. So again, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe, give us a like, and comment below anything I may have missed because it can help other people plan their travel. Also use my description below to look at all the links for everything. And until next time, guys, stay magical.